What to do when the machine shows 电子价。
First, check whether the price tag's light is on normally. If not, it means that the Type-E of the Android board is not properly connected to the main control. Connect Type-E to the Energy Control Board 5.0. And restart the Android board. Second, the light of the price tags are not on. Check whether the main wire of the main control board is loose. Third, the main control board is not working. You can unplug the power cord and restart it to see if the light flashes. If it flashes 3 times, it proves that the control board is good. Otherwise, the control